All right, what is up, guys?
Why, we weren't on before?
No,
Oh, now we're on.
now we're on, people.
All right.
Welcome to the Animal Papa channel.
Welcome to the Animal Papa channel. We're here with Junior right next to me.
Right here.
We got Paulie Pup, the hugging dog. And we got
dog.
Brian, politically not correct Brian. With
Making
this.
the Overlook Scenic Route.
We're going on an overlook scenic route.
Yep.
Junior, make this thing ain't filming the floor.
It's not filming the floor.
It's filming in front of us.
It's filming whatever you see, Animal Papa.
Whatever I see, it sees. Nice. Good. Nice walk
Found this
in
nice
the
little walking
woods.
stick.
Got a little walking stick that we're gonna carve. We get back to the homestead.
Al Strug's old homemade army stick of
Nice.
the American
The
Eagle.
American flag on there. God bless America. You know us at the Animal Papa channel, we're all American patriots. So we're gonna take you on this walk through the woods.
Road crossing.
Danger road crossing sign. We're gonna take you on this walk through the woods.
Look at Paulie Pup. He's loving it
Paulie
up.
Pup is loving the woods.
Paulie Pup is loving it up.
First time with the GoPro.
Yep.
Junior just got this from Santa Claus.
Yeah.
Big Saint Nick. You gotta love that Saint Nick. The beautiful woods. Love it out here in the woods. Good old fresh air in the great outdoors. They can't keep us home, they're gonna keep us in the woods.
Blue marking? That's the same marking as on the other side. You
Oh,
follow
nice.
this and connect to it.
Nice. They can't keep us home, they're gonna keep us in the woods.
That's it. You gotta get something to do.
They lock us down, we're gonna lock ourselves out in the woods.
That's the blue marking.
We're gonna live out here in the woods. Junior, as you can see, is a crazy guy with his shorts on.
It's not that cold right now.
Well, it's only about 30 something degrees out.
Here's the trail to go to Saffron Pond. And this is the overlook. We're gonna take a little side step to go to the overlook.
We'll go to the overlook, show you the overlook,
Then we'll keep on going.
then we'll come back down and go to the pond.
Yep.
What's this called? Headley? Headley Overlook.
Yep.
Nice.
Nice name.
Well, we can overlook throughout everywhere.
Nice. I gotta carry my daughter.
Here we left the little alley girl home with Grandma. We took her on the hike yesterday.
He loves it.
She always loves being in the woods, but sometimes we knock her out.
Oh man, this is She's falling asleep on my arm. So I'm carrying her.
Yesterday, right?
That was
Beautiful forest, Animal Papa.
Yep. Beautiful woods. Love the woods.
not the overlook.
This is an outdoor family. There's another trail up that mountain right there.
Nah, this is not. This is it's all open. You can see right the pack house from up here.
Nice. You can see the lake from up here. We're coming up to it. We're getting close to the overlook. Stay with us. Don't leave us now, people. We're gonna show you this overlook for the top of the mountain. As you can see, we're getting to the top over here. Stay with us and don't leave. You're gonna be happy. I know we are. We love coming out here in the woods.
There's the overlook.
Here we go, coming up to the top.
Coming up, people. people.
Look at this mountain right here.
Get ready.
Get ready for this.
Back on, that way. See Lake of Pack
Oh, look, we can walk that way. Let's see from the top of this point here.
That's Lake of Pack That's that's west, I believe. That's Pennsylvania and New York. They all meet. New York, Pennsylvania, and Jersey.
Look at this, how gorgeous this is.
Lake of Pack
For the
right
top
there.
of this mountain.
Look how steep it
You
is.
see it over there too.
Watch out, Shane.
It's nice and steep. Look at how steep that is. Beautiful spot up here.
This is beautiful.
Love it.
That's some view, huh? That's God. Look at
What is that little thing over
coming
there?
down from the.
That's a broken tree.
The river over there.
Yeah.
Look how high up we are in the elevation. You can see down there. We're on top of a big rock, as you can see right here. As I'm looking. It's a big rock.
Yeah, you can get another view over here.
Let's take a walk around this trail. See what look we get over here.
Down there, that's a fall, bro.
That's a 4.5.
I could go mountain climb if we tied ourselves on something. That'd be pretty
One
nice.
day we gotta do that. We gotta
Yeah.
climb down those rocks right there.
We tie it to that
You guys
tree,
could have fun with that
and then
one.
we could go up and down.
Junior, we're sending you down, upside down. By your legs, we're gonna send you down.
Okay.
No, thank you.
I'll just stay up here.
Yeah, this is Henry Overlook.
Look at that big rock right there.
Trails over there. I'm telling you, you could go on trails forever.
Keep on going to Pennsylvania
Miles and miles.
and New York.
See, this marks a trail. I ain't never been this way.
Let's see. Hopefully it's not a,
Well,
Fall off a
we'll
mountain.
Go back down.
hopefully it's not a fall off a mountain trail.
Yeah, right.
Me and you almost went on a few of those.
Yeah,
Fall off a mountain trail.
we've been on there.
That was on a dirt bike stuff.
Oh, this does continue. Look, we've
Oh,
been
look.
down this way. I've never been down this way.
We're taking this for the first time down. Look at the size of this guy. Junior, go climb up on top of it if we can take a picture of you.
Oh, look at that. Probably some snake.
Go, join up. Don't worry, get your stick. Your stick is ready for
Wait,
him.
you better take it off camera. I gotta piss.
As he said, he's not playing good.
I go up there and tell you that's Brian politically not correct, but
Sorry, guys.
we love him anyway. We gotta keep him. We can't give him back.
Yo, look, this trail goes all the way down the mountain.
We're taking it all the way down the mountain.
Yeah, we're going this way.
There's Junior up on top of the mountain. Junior!
We're going this way.
Look at the size of that mountain you're on.
Get in there, I bet.
No, hopefully not.
Hopefully not. Ah, you're all right.
Politically not correct. Tell us when you can turn around.
That would be a nice little shelter for an animal, though.
All right, you're good. Weasel train.
Sometimes you gotta do things out here in the woods you don't really want to do, but you have to do it. What are you gonna do?
Yeah, I'll do it. Yeah, look,
Me, actually, sometimes I like peeing in the woods better than normal.
look at this. We'll go down.
I think you take this one
Yeah,
down,
we
I
can
think.
take this back at the trail right there.
That's got a tree right there. These are better, these.
Nice little stairs.
Junior, use your stick. Use your stick for these, Junior.
Paulie's loving it up.
Paulie loves the mountains.
He loves walking in general.
Well, he's a pup. Pups love to walk. Come on, Paulie.
This is pretty hot. I've never went this way before.
It's first for everything. When you're with the animal, Papa. Whoa. Oh, Papa almost went down for the count. Because politically not correct.
Coming down the hill.
That's his new name.
Hey, that's a nice trail.
Trust me, everybody loves politically not correct on the channel. They're asking for Brian. Say, where's Brian politically not correct? He's here. We got him. We didn't lose him yet.
P.A.C. Brian.
We get copyright every time Brian's around. Starts throwing on the music. Look at this tree. This tree is awesome right here.
That's a
Look at
nice
that. That's cool right there. It's like a bonsai in the middle of the woods.
Banzai.
Bonsai.
bonsai, baby.
going for a hike.
We got this GoPro for fishing next year. Wait till you see the Papa and Junior and Brian fishing next year. If you think these people out there pulling stuff, watch you see what we pulling. We just never put it on the channel because we're always unprepared.
Look how nice this is.
But now we're gonna prepare, Junior. We got the GoPro ready to go.
Look at how beautiful this is.
This is gorgeous out here. Love it.
Check out your GoPro.
Look,
Press
very
it.
much
Make sure it's going good. Oh. Alright, there you go. Start walking.
You keep on moving it though. Hopefully you're not making me do the floor. What?
It's not doing the floor.
I guess if you're allowed to pee out here, Brian is too.
Huh?
I guess if Paulie could pee out here, so can Brian.
Yeah, really? What the heck?
You gotta go when you're in the woods. Paulie Pup is loving it out here. Yeah, we'll let him go for a little while. He's on a long lead. He's on a long lead anyway.
I look at him. Just chilling, going up in the hill.
Climbing a mountain. Junior, get in front of me so that people can see the superstar of the Alan Papa channel. They don't, you and Paulie. Whoa. Come on, pup. Keep on rocking. Oh, look at down there. That is cool down there.
Look how steep it is. That's a river.
Where's the river?
Oh, you see it?
Oh, the river's all the way down there, right?
You see a little bit.
At the end. That is really cool.
Get to the river.
Yeah, you gotta walk down there.
Down the mountain.
Well, I saw a little lower path.
We could climb down there, but I don't know how we're getting back up.
Might have to use
That's
that
why you
bar
need-
down on top of-
That's why you need ropes.
I don't know what rope.
Next time we'll bring ropes. Well, in the summer we like to fish it, maybe. We gotta start fishing all these small lakes and rivers. There's a little path. And look at down there. We haven't seen no wildlife out here yet. No deers.
There's probably some in that rock that you saw.
Well, the bears are in hibernation right now. No? These trails always usually kind of go around, so we might come out by the road. Come on, Paulie, keep up the crowd, go.
The other trail
Which one?
that you go if you don't make the left to Hadley Overlook,
Right?
you go this way.
So what do you want to do? Which way you want to go?
This only goes back.
All right, so we'll just go down this way then.
You want to go back?
No, go down by the other place.
That's that way.
The pond?
The pond is that way.
All right, so let's go to the pond.
The pond is definitely this way.
Boom, people. I'll give it
I don't know if these people are still with us, but if y'all, we're going to see the pond now.
nice little pond.
Sorry, Paulie.
Like a little bridge.
Shit.
Let's go, Paulie.
My right hand is hot.
This is awesome climbing this rock.
Yeah, it's like a little bridge. Look down there, Animal Papa.
This is a nice view from up here.
This is hot.
This is awesome. I think Paulie's the best mountain climber out of all of us.
Oh, definitely.
He's staying behind me though. He thinks he's in his pack right now. He's watching out for the crew. Paulie's watching out for the crew right now.
On the trail, you see the blue sign? That's the trail, motherfucker. That little people were here multiple times. Somebody had the Marquis Trail.
Let me tell you, Junior, good St. Nicholas gift. It's a lot better than me carrying that camera the whole time in my hands.
Like a phone, right?
Yeah. Starting on my head, just going. It's nice. Oh, come right out to the Blue Trail. I love the way nature just like creates its own path. With rocks and everything. It's awesome. God's playground. God's playground.
Somebody had to ride 4-wheelers and something and make it perfect like that.
The water sometimes just cuts through too.
Does it too, yep.
The water cuts through and makes it nice.
A little cut in it with a 4-wheel and the water will do the rest.
Well, before 4-wheelers, they probably had horses out here.
Yeah, the Indians, traffic.
4-wheelers haven't been around that long. These paths have been here before 4-wheelers probably.
I'm sure there was probably a few battles over here. George Washington.
Oh yeah, definitely a few battles. We're out here. This is a camp for George Washington out here? This area? We got politically incorrect, but a history buff.
It's Sparta.
Sparta, right?
We're right on the outskirts of Sparta. Jefferson Township. Right where George Washington was.
Right where George Washington was. The founding father of our country. Nice jump, Paulie. Look at that overlook right there.
Smoke breaking and take this in.
All right.
Take this off.
James, watch Paulie on that mountain.
Look
And
at this
watch
view.
yourself too. Let's go out here.
Look at this view. Yeah, watch yourself. Too, forward too.
Oh, this is awesome out here.
Paulie, watch out. Come
Look at
here.
this. Look at the cross. This is nice than the other
Hold
way.
on to his leash. At least we can pull him up. Might hang him, but
We'll get him up.
Well, you
look at this view.
careful, buddy.
Look at this over here. You can see everywhere over here. Everywhere.
Pappy!
Look at this.
It's beautiful.
This is awesome out here.
Careful.
Look at that there. I'm careful. I'm watching. I'm gonna back up a little bit.
Yep.
But this is beautiful out here.
Might hurt a little bit.
Oh, that's
Paulie,
not
come on,
it.
don't
That's not it.
be crazy. He's the craziest one out of all of us, Paulie. Wants to go down
Well, he's a
there.
dog. He will try to get down there. So that's why I gotta hold him. Because he'll find his way down. He'll climb the mountain all the way down.
I'm surprised. He's so crazy.
Yeah,
He'll
we-
probably go jump up from tree to tree.
Yeah, hopefully he doesn't do that. That would be wild.
I tied him to my. Alright, Paulie. The cutest
I'm
pup
giving you
in the
guys a
world.
nice look
Come
of
here.
this mountain up here from the top. You can see down there, it's pretty steep.
Sunoco or Sunoco? Sunoco, that's it.
Politically not correct is giving people directions to hear. He might not be politically correct, but he knows his way around the mountains. Look all the way across there. You can see the top of over there. It looks like the sky and the mountains meet over there. Look at that right there.
Thank you, Pappy.
Looks like the sky and the mountains come together right there.
That's it.
That's pretty awesome.
All right.
And there's the lake down there, and the stream is down there.
I was checking how much battery your GoPro's on over there.
Oh yeah, how much do we got? Oh, so we haven't used that much yet.
Yep, 20 minutes.
We might have to speed some parts up,
Yep.
just so people stay interested. But not cut it out, we'll just speed it up.
beautiful view. Come on, John. Don't tell me you're not home.
Which way you want to go now? You go right along here too.
Yeah, over to that. He's downstairs. He's coming up.
You see that blue?
All right, thank you, John. Alright.
You want to go this way? Political?
Political. That's the way we gotta go. Either there or there.
Yeah, let's go this way.
Let's go. Go with the
Want a
puppies.
cigarette? Look at this view.
We've been looking.
Look at that drop, bro.
Man, that's crazy, that drop right there.
That's some drop.
Hurt a little, but you ain't making that one.
Oh no. Drop to get lifted out.
Yeah.
Out the helicopter.
Yeah, skyvac out here, which we don't want to do.
No gurney
Let's do the
out.
sign of the cross over here with a big kiss.
Look at, we're even closer to Lake Apacon.
Good.
I believe to the left of that is Lake Shawnee.
Yeah, I think
The little
so.
one. You know, big lake, or Musconetcon Lake, one of them.
One of those lakes around
Yeah,
here.
one of those lakes. All right, come in.
All right, let's go. You guys get in front, lead the way.
Go ahead.
You,
Paulie.
you and Paulie lead the way. We got politically not correct in front of us.
The trail? Oh, we got two. No, but there's one there too.
That one goes out to more rocks and mountains.
I think that's just a little lookout.
Yes.
This is the trail. Yeah, because we could either go that way or they got little walk-offs to go look at the overlook. Yeah. You warm there?
The blood's flowing right now when you're walking.
Yeah, no.
If you're standing still, then it's a little different.
Yeah, a little warm yourself.
Yeah, I had unzipped the jacket. I'm good right now.
I'm starting to get good at telling what I need to wear.
I'd rather have extra than less, but
No, me too, but I got thermals on, that's why.
yeah, I don't put thermals on.
Yeah, I like
I'd be sweating with those thermals on.
I want to get a little sweat on too. Trying to get shit for the summer.
You're not gonna be able to be Santa Claus some more. You keep on losing all that weight.
Yeah, well, I'd rather have my house than I got a daughter now.
I played skinny Santa Claus this year. You weren't.
Oh, I saw it.
Even though I looked a little big.
What's this big shit out? This is God's country.
God's country. The woods. I love the woods. Can't say it enough. Love being outside in the fresh air in the woods. Good thing we have this type of stuff so we're not stuck in the house. We have things like this that we could do. And we'll take the people. Take our family members and our YouTube subscribers, all the family members out on the walk with us. Technology is good for certain things. I'm not a big fan of technology, but I like certain things. Like this.
Put here by God.
It's God's country.
God said, let me just throw a couple boulders.
A couple boulders over there. We'll make a little playground for the people that like to go into the woods.
Yeah. Well, nature paradise.
Heaven in the woods.
Oh, this is some good camping area.
Yeah, we got to camp out here in the summer. Or a little bit after the summer, like fall. So it's not so
They
hot.
got the blinds over there where you could set up your campsite and you get a wood and
Well, if we camp down by the river, then we can take a little dip. We need a place we can take a dip in the summertime.
what we got? Attention. The Highland Trail has been rerouted and the old section has been closed.
All right.
That means the old place.
Yellow goes into the Saffron Pond. The yellow blue, I have no idea where it goes.
So what do you want to take, yellow?
Yellow goes on forever, I say. I don't know which one's which.
Which one goes to the pond?
I don't know. I don't know which ones are closed. I don't know which ones are talking about.
All right, then let's just take this one. We'll just take, want to flip a coin?
Yeah, it looks like we're going this way. We're going deeper in the woods. Whoa.
One of them's got to go straight back to the road somewhere. Oh, I love when they build those rock things out in the woods. Here's one of those rock
That's
things.
to show like somebody that was an old way to show people the meeting place.
Right, that's an old meeting ground, right? Meet us at the rocks that are piled up on top of the rocks.
Beautiful rocks.
I don't know which way goes where.
All right, well, we'll just take a little walk.
Take a nice stroll. Yeah, we could follow the field.
Yellow teal.
Some of these spots like this where it's not so beautiful, even though it's beautiful, but people might get a little bored, so we have to fast forward.
Look at
it.
that tree.
Well, that tree is,
Crazy.
We got hit by lightning.
yeah, hit by lightning. I was just about to say, that's a lightning bolter.
Just about, I'd say, what was it, a year ago or 2 years ago, because COVID, they set these woods on fire.
Really?
Yeah, because the wood, it's good to have a fire. It makes everything recycle.
Really?
Kills all the dead trees. They
God bless you, Junior. Come on, Paulie. Come on, boy. Paulie.
He's sniffing.
Paulie. He's sniffing something out. He's sniffing something out over there. Come on, boy. Come on. Good boy. Oh, yeah, give me a little sip of something. Politically, not correct.
Little power snap. I didn't know these were called the Highlands.
We used to feed Brian to keep him calm, but now we can't do that no more. You don't eat. Now we found out that a lot of subscribers like politically correct on Brian. Paulie mark his territory everywhere he goes.
Well, if there's any women out there, we're looking. I'm looking for a new baby mama.
I got jokes.
Paulie and Brian mark their territory every 5 minutes.
Yeah, I think this one goes back.
All them female reindeer love him. All them deer love him.
Female reindeer.
Yep.
Yeah, I think this one goes back.
Goes back this way.
Yeah. We went pretty far.
We can go back around and go to the other one if we
Yeah,
want.
we can go on the other side. We're gonna cross the street and do the other trail.
We've
That's
been
in the
mountain
park.
hiking for, let's see, 28 minutes.
This is not mountain hiking. This is just a walk in the woods.
Walk in the woods.
Sorry, Paulie.
He's stepping on his leash.
I stepped on his lead. Whenever I do that, he goes to the back of the pack.
Well, I don't worry. Go in front of me.
That's the night people come to these things.
Look at him.
Paulie cannot walk all of us.
He can walk for years,
He is.
if that makes sense.
He loves it out here. More than anybody.
We're gonna see him catch a squirrel soon.
If he sees something, he will chase it.
Yep.
All right, should we cut this thing down and start it back up after, or what?
Yeah.
Yeah?
All right, guys. We'll be back.
Well, stay tuned
Stay
for the
tuned.
next trail.